Alright, let's create a dormer right in Revit architecture. First you have to understand that that's it on a wall, or that's it on a roof. So first let's create a wall. So we're having a wall right here, and let's get into the first floor to create a roof on top of here. So get into roof. First thing is we want to change the thickness and change the projection so that okay, so there exists a roof right here, and the dormer sit exactly on this roof here. So the dormer eventually consists of 3 walls and a micro roof right there. So let's create that first. So simple case, I'm going to the 3D view right here and get into view, and you can find out the 3D view is right here, and get into the 3D top view, or you can pick up the side view for doing all these things, but I don't care. The next thing is I'm gonna duplicate, or you're gonna change the thickness of the wall, as the dormer wall always have lower thickness than that of the normal load bearing wall, as the dormer doesn't want to carry any type of wall load, rather the roof right on top of it. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not very well, but I thought of making this video. Alright, then what we can do here is get into the load, and I'll like to pick up the small lower thickness wall right here. This is 79mm, and before drawing the wall, first I would like to pick up a level here. So this level, I'm gonna change the name. This one can be called as 3, that is the dormer roof. Okay, I'm sorry, the name this is dormer. Okay, so the wall should exist right from first floor to dormer roof. So you can pick up either first floor, or you can draw everything on 3D view. Right now, pick up the wall, and I like to draw the wall right in here. You can turn on the chained option here. Okay, so I might guess that the dormer wall should stay right away from here. Then let's have the roof. So before drawing the roof, we have to understand that is a slope towards both sides, and there's no slope towards the front side. So you can turn on the define slope option, and I don't want this much offset, so you can decrease the offset there. So maybe 200 will do. Pick up these 2 walls here, and we don't want to have slope for the 3rd wall, and you can pick up the line to draw the 4th roof right here. Okay, if whatever I said wall here, convert that into roof. I'm sorry. Okay, you can change the height or the level of the roof right into dormer roof. Once again, if you get into 3D, you can see that as it is right here, and you might feel that's so lesser. You can anytime you can change the height of the wall. It can be like 5 meter. Okay, alright, now you can tab select the wall. You can attach it right into this roof, and you can select the roof option, which is join on join roof, and you can pick up the roof and pick up the face that the roof should extend. If you're placing camera right outside of this building, this view is far enough, but if you get into here, you can see that the base is kind of crazy, as there is no opening right here. So in order to create opening, what I'm gonna do is I will come right into the top view. Okay, then I would like to change this right into wireframe, as I would like to see what's happening inside. Get into the dormer, you can pick up the wall that the opening needs to be created, and right now you can have to adjust. Pick the inner edge, 2 inner edge, 3 inner edge, 4th inner edge, and 5th inner edge. You don't want to trim, just enable the option. Alright, just coming to the bottom side. So there is no opening here, but no problem. We can tab select all these walls here. You can have attach top or base. Pick up the base and select the first roof which we had drawn. So you can see that opening is right here. And finally, if you would like, you can place windows on here. So that's the simple procedure in drawing the dormer right in Revit architecture. And thanks for watching if anyone is watching.